remotely assigns respondents to enumerators, and they receive the assignment on their tablets. So with this, once the assignment is uploaded on the server, enumerators will refresh their tablets and get the latest assignment. So assuming we want you to be home and we just send you a list, or we want some mobilizers to be somewhere and make some calls, and when they send the forms, automatically you have the list on your tablet, and as in when the list gets updated, it gets populated when you refresh it on your tablet. We use case management. In that case, you sit in your homes and you just, all you do is to refresh your tablet when you are told to. Of course, and every time you start to do a survey, ensure that your tablet has been refreshed to get the latest assignments that are on the server waiting for you to conduct the interview. So now I'm going to take you through how to navigate and work with case management in Survey C.
So for the
just to demonstrate how case management works, when you open for the managed TO, by default you're supposed to have five buttons to actually at the home click. Before we can proceed with case management, before we proceed, we would have to activate the managed cases button. At the home page of Survey C Collect app. At the home page, by default, you have those 5 buttons here. Where you but to activate the whole managed cases or managed cases button, you will click on the 3 dots at the top where we access the settings, and you go to the administration settings, the admin settings, on managed cases, and you will scroll down and look for managed cases, which is right here at the top here, and you activate it. When done, now we can see managed cases at the top of filled blank form. So it's the top button there, and we can now click on this button. Now when you click on this button, at the first instance, you might not have any case. If it's not there to manage, you actually so if you don't have any case to manage, what you do is to refresh until you refresh, and when you refresh, downloading the list of cases from the server. For the old and when that is done, you have this list, whatever assignment that has been given on something that looks so like this. Critical thing to take notice of here is the first of all, I want to talk about filling a form for a particular case. What you do so you can see that the bolded each of the cases, you see labels here, the bolded person, words are the ones, the bolded labels here are the labels that identify the particular case or assignment you want to do. And below each of the bolded ones, we have what we call fill blank form. And the blank form here indicates the particular form you are supposed to fill for that respondent who is identified by the bolded case there. So assuming for the second respondent, case 102, you can fill a blank form which is here for the respondent. Assuming we want the survey management, you want you to fill different forms for different cases or for different assignment they are giving to you, the forms will be pre-filled here. So all you do is to click on the form, and it goes to the beginning of the form. Mind you, if the form is not here, assuming the form is, if the form is not downloaded, you will see it that is quick thing about how in a red form here. So assuming the form that is supposed to fill for the respondent is not installed, you see the fill blank form, the form you are supposed to install being in red. You see it in red here, indicating that the form is not installed. So what you do is to just click on that form, and it will send you directly to the server where you can download and install that. It will send it to the server, and you can just download and install that form. Now immediately you have downloaded and installed that form, now you can go ahead and fill the form for the respondent. So you go ahead and you do the whatever filling you want to do for the respondent. The second thing is the filter button that is here. The filter button is used if you want to navigate to a particular respondent. You click on the filter, If you know the person's ID is 106, you just type it and there's no 106, there's 105. So you can see that 105 has come.